So, as you can see, she gets severed off. And I doubt you can see it there, but it's flush. Ingenious design, this thing. I started carrying this knife every day. Kershaw, Ken Onion design. As you can see, there's a bit of trial and error going on this morning. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. And as you saw during my video on relationships, Linda lets me do all this shit up here anytime I want. She doesn't piss and moan because I leave shit everywhere. I typically clean it up right away, but you know, when she comes home and sees this, she doesn't bat an eye, ever. I never get grief. I'm doing shit like this all the time. She's fucking awesome. So gals, if you're watching this, take a page out of Linda's book. Don't be a fucking bitch all the time. The stuff is not going to be there forever. Your dude is probably going to clean it up, hopefully within the same day. But you know what? Chill the fuck out. Let it happen, man. It's not the end of the fucking world. And yes, I would do the same for Linda. Kayaking stuff. Her life jacket, her skirt, it's part of our lives. Why would I fucking bitch and moan about that? It's what we do to stay sane in a fucking crazy world these days. Job done. Oh, I like this. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 11 degrees Celsius. Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, I will. You know, I think it's hilarious. There's people that won't have an Alexa or a Google Home in their house because it's always listening. That idea is just fucking absurd. Like, really? Do you know how many times your cell phone is listening to you? Yet, you know, that never gives you any pause for concern. You have a cell phone on you, guarantee you that fucking thing is listening to you. I'm doing the loop I discovered this summer, and I had the pleasure of riding it with a lot of good people. And but today I'm gonna be riding it by myself because who else has midweek days off? First things first though, I have definitely overdressed. Crap, boys and girls. I'm fucking way overdressed on this one. Let's go ride. So, typically, we've been heading out on this gravel stretch, which goes for about 22 kilometers. However, when searching for this on my motorcycle, I noticed the road that runs parallel with it. So today we'll be running on the road, riding Fraser River. Pretty awesome. Garbage, not so awesome. Pulled off the route, come down to the river. Look at this place. I might have to bring the dog here. It's massive. It does say core firearm training that way, so we won't go any further. Ride bikes. Go further, see more. Well, that's the trail section done, and we're on Hope River Road. You've seen me on it many times on the Duke, but it's just as nice on the bike. One good thing about it on the bike is it lasts longer. It's more enjoyable in a different kind of way. Man, I'm hitting every red light there is today on my way home. All right, let's see if we can make it through this death circle alive. So far, so good. Woo! Woo, victory! Whew. Oh, it feels so good to get out and ride. Man, can't describe it. All right, people. Really? This is dog shit in our underground. Come on, you fucking retards. Fuck. Unbelievable. Who lets their dog take a shit underground and not fucking clean it up?